Oh yes. Eh? Unaona nyumba huko. Unaona wenzetu wanavyojenga nyumba huko. Hawana masiara hata kidogo. Nyumba ndogo ndogo, garden ya kufa mtu. Yeah, haya ndo maisha. Yeah. Yeah.
Well, you saw that in the test. You're supposed to turn your wheels inward just in case something happens. No?
Can you pull this a little bit inside? The mirror?
What? Oh, okay.
Yeah. Right.
You parked inside the right one? The birds are still out, so. I think we should just go around the back.
All right, let's go.
Hey. Rogers, this is Miss Libertor.
Hi,
Oh, yeah.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. How are you?
Oh, we're going inside the house or around?
I don't know. I saw Falahi walk this way.
So did I.
This is not her driveway, though.
Oh, okay.
How you doing?
Very good. You want some help us?
Yeah,
Got it.
Oh,
we're right.
yeah. Yard, yard. This is nice.
Mm. Lovely.